2-ingredient mango cake. I saw this and thought, oh my goodness, that sounds so delicious. All right, got my angel food cake in here. I have my mango baby food. Yeah, so I'm just going to cut it off and put all these in. Now we're gonna stir this up. See how nice and fluffy that's getting. Yeah, I'm taking this to a get-together, so I'm putting it in a disposable pan this time. Throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, I got my mango cake here. Now, this is optional. Oops. This is optional, but I'm going to add some whipped cream or Cool Whip on top. Oh, yum. Okay, let's cut this. Let's see what we think. That looks so delicious. All right, I'm gonna give this a try. That is really good. Okay, if you wanna try something different, this is delicious.